Hey guys, Touch everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make overnight chapati, which is very simple and easy and delicious recipe. And I will recommend you, if you have never tried this recipe, you should be try, you will love it. So let's get started how to make. Before start the video, I will request you guys, if you are visit my channel first time, don't forget to hit the red button. Also hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you will get always notification when I upload a new recipe. And let's get started how to make. Okay, so first I'm gonna make the yeast water. For this, here I take 1 cup warm water and 1.5 teaspoon salt for the taste and 2 teaspoon dry yeast. Now this all you have to mix well. So flour, here I take 60-gram flour, so you can take according to your need. Now I'm gonna mix with yeast water. Simply I'm gonna add the yeast water and just mix it well. Dough should be weaned like this, not too much hard, not too much liquid. Like this we need. Now simply cover and just we need to keep in a warm place. So nowadays weather is little cold, so I'm gonna wrap with some cloth. You can take any kind of cloth. Just we need to keep little warm. Good morning everyone, and let's make the chapati. Okay, now we need more flour. Take the flour and add just 1 teaspoon baking powder. Once I add the baking powder, just simply you have to mix first the dry ingredient. You have to add the dough. Can you see my dough is become like this? So this dough is very liquid, you can see. Now you have to knead the dough properly like this. But not so hardly, you have to knead the dough very softly. Now it's ready to make chapati. Now I'm gonna apply some oil so it will not stick your hand, so you can just easily you can do it this. And we don't need to roll, so I'm gonna use just my hand. So the dough is very soft, so you can just simply press and softly you have to press. You just followed the video how I did. And we have to make like a big chapati like this. Okay, now my chapati is ready. Now apply some oil to all of the chapati. We have to apply properly. Once you apply, the oil is done. The next ingredient is turmeric powder. For purpose of the turmeric powder, I add just for color turmeric powder, so your chapati will keep nice and golden brown color. The second ingredient is dry fenugreek leaves. It's called, normally it's Indian people, they call kasuri methi. So now you have to, all of the chapati you have to apply this. Just add like this. Just follow the video how I did, and it will give the nice flavor. And I love this smell. Fenugreek seed and fenugreek leaves, these all giving very nice smell. And once you're done the all ingredient, now you just need to stick an end and just fold. The process is similar to tingmo. Press lightly. After that, I'm gonna just take a knife and just cut into big size. How much you want, big, small, the sizes totally depend on you. Now take a one bun and just pinch up the side of end, and just lightly you have to open the inside and just press it down. So I don't know how to explain, so it's difficult to explain. So you just follow the video how I did. Now it's ready for fry. I'm not going to deep fry, just shallow fry I'm doing. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Once you heat the oil, now you can add your chapati. Add the chapati and just cover and cook in medium flame. Once you start bubble come, now this time you have to flip it over, and again tablespoon cooking oil and just cover, and both of side it will take the 30 seconds, and you have to see, make sure it will not burn. So now take out the chapati and just set aside. Just repeat the same process until not finish the all chapati. Okay guys, now you can eat directly, or if you wanna eat with this, I will recommend you can make the white laughing, yellow laughing and sun laughing. With these three you can go with that. The combination is very good. Okay, so this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy the recipe. So if you've seen this video will helpful to you, so share with your friends and family, even they also enjoy this homemade delicious recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye.